That's right, two-strokes are coming back. L.A Sleeve just sponsored the Glen Helen Two-Stroke Championships. As one would know, two-strokes, well, they get tired. L.A Sleeve offers a easy all-in-one kit. Well, let's break it down. These all-in-one cylinder rebuild kits are supplied with a two-stroke cylinder sleeve, a piston kit, top end bearing, and a gasket kit. These kits are available for all the most popular bikes, and yes, even that old dog in the garage. Cylinder rebuild kits offer a great value and are priced beginning from $240 for a 125cc and $270 for a 250cc. All the parts, all the value, all in one kit. L.A Sleeve also provides a full sleeve installation service along with a complete parts warehouse. So get that two-stroke refreshed. For more information, go to lasleeve.com.